Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to withdraw funds from Kraken to your bank. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open your Kraken app or website or whatever, and then you will log in and tap funding and click withdraw. Select fiat currency, which is either USD, Euro, or whatsoever. Then you will tap bank account and then select your linked bank account. If none, you will tap add bank account and enter account info. Enter the amount that you would want to withdraw. Review withdrawal details and tap submit withdrawal and confirm 2FA email verification. Your bank account will receive funds according to Kraken's processing schedule. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.